It's Bonnie. Happy Friday night. Oh my gosh, you guys, we have a lot to talk about. We're doing some late night videos. So, I have a giant box of Bath & Body Works. I'm going to unbox this one, Candles and New Body Care, and then I'm going to do a video a little bit later talking about the fall event. Check it out. We're going to go over price points. Starts tomorrow in store and online. A lot to talk about with that sale. I'm going to go over what's a good deal, what you might want to wait on. We shall see. Anyway, we're going to dig into this box first. This is one of those new boxes. Actually, this came kind of open. I don't have to do too much work opening it. It's almost open. So, let me dig into here. I don't really like these boxes. They're hard to like maneuver here. Candles, body care. Also today, the car fragrances, $1.95. I think they're $1.95. $1.95 or $1.99. I think they're $1.95. I did not do a separate video this morning. I was going to, and then my day just went crazy. It's a good deal on the car fragrance if you need them. Always go with $1.95. I'll talk about that a little bit later when I do my sale video. So I gotta get to unboxing, you guys. Okay. Oh, Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. I'm just digging in, you guys. I gotta do a little first impression here. You know what?
What?
My mother's like, what? What? That was funny. You know what?
What?
This kind of does smell like Bonfire Bash. Oh my gosh. A little bit of a twist on there. Oh, I liked it. I like this one a lot. The Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. Okay, yay. I gotta do a side-by-side. You know what? It's been a while since I put my Bonfire Bash on. I'm thinking a cousin. Sibling. Oh my gosh, that's actually really interesting. Okay. I have the Copperfields. What is this? I kind of like this one too. Ooh, I'm liking the new body care, you guys. This is, I get 2 fresh vanilla bourbons. Yay for me. No. Cozy Vanilla Bourbon. I'm like, these are the same. These are so, oh my gosh, you guys. Cozy Vanilla Bourbon and Fresh Vanilla Blossoms. Are these not like totally identical almost? Yeah, that's a little strange. Okay. Oh my gosh, look. My top is, what the heck? Oh my gosh, my top's missing. Can I even get the scent out? Oh my gosh. Seriously? Usually they don't work at all when, oh my gosh. I can't even smell this, you guys. If I can find the top in the box, I might be able to fix it enough just to get the scent. Oh my gosh, what the heck? Where is the top of my, oh my gosh, really? Okay, oh, here it is. I found it, you guys. Okay, let me see if I can, like, rig this thing. There. Yeah. This kind of smells familiar. What is this? Suede petals, soft sandalwood, and vanilla bean. This smells like something. I like the other one better, though. The Cozy Vanilla Bourbon, which is kind of close to the Bonfire Bash. And then we also have Moonlit Martini. Let me see. Oh, I like this one. This one's nice. I actually like this one. Oh, okay. This one is Vibrant Fruit, Sparkling Gin, and Midnight Musk. I like this. This is interesting. Okay, so I also got Sweet Whiskey in the Sparkling, or the Diamond Shimmer Mist. Let me do one of these. Sometimes these take a while. Oh, Sweet Whiskey smells so fresh. Okay, and then I also got, my Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. Oh, I'm so excited. I gotta put this all over. Oh yeah, Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin is back. Online exclusive. It's weird though. It smells different this year. I thought maybe because I had it layered. This is kind of weird. Heirloom pumpkin, autumn cinnamon, ginger snap, and whipped vanilla. Does anyone? Maybe on the dry down. I thought, it smells a little different to me this year. I don't know why. And then I got it, of course, in the mist. Let me spray a little bit of the mist on. I feel like this is just a little different. Maybe it's, I don't know. There's something about this. We're going to do a side-by-side. We are going to do a side-by-side on that. So that was my body care. So I got a lot of body care. Let me set this aside. And I guess my lids are all off. What the heck, Bath & Body Works? Everything is, I'm missing a lid. I'm seriously missing a lid, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, I got, I think 5 candles. We're going to do the candles now. Oh, blueberry maple pancakes. Yay. This one's a little on the sweet side. I do enjoy it like every year with the blue wax. Not quite as blue this year. It's a little bit like lit. My husband just threw the box back at me. I've never had a box come back before. That was pretty funny. Pumpkin cupcake in the new design. Why is everything smelling just a little bit off tonight? Is it me, or is this stuff a little bit different than usual? Oh my gosh, is this a Scooby-Doo mystery, you guys? I think this might be a Scooby-Doo mystery. I've been wearing scents all day today. Nothing else has smelled off. Autumn chai. This actually smells the best to me. Autumn chai smells really good. I don't know why. Pumpkin cupcake does smell a little bit off. These are those new candles. Let me see this one. This is one of those different boxes here. Let me see. Let's see here. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is a weird shade of green too. It's like, it's odd. Apricot and green fig. If I don't like this, something's up. I kind of like it. That's a weird green. Have you ever seen like this green in a candle? It kind of looks like Halloween green. This actually isn't bad. I don't mind the apricot and fig. That's actually, I think, my favorite. And then, okay, last one is, oh, warm apple pie. Now this jar is beautiful. I actually like this one. This jar is actually stunning. It's got some copper. It's got some purple. Oh my gosh, this is beautiful. I gotta say, this smells like warm apple pie. This one, it's not me. This one smells amazing. That's really interesting. I swear pumpkin cupcake smells off. Oh my gosh. Anyway, check it out. Big haul here. I will be back a little bit later because I will have more details on the fall event. We got to talk about pricing, when to buy. I got to talk about coupons. You're going to want to go in the store for this one. Anyway, I will see you guys soon. Bye-bye.